Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Now let's discuss a useful tool. Ultra-durable car seat cover is engineered to endure high temperatures without melting, keeping your leather or fabric seats pristine in even the hottest weather. Say goodbye to unsightly stains or gooey residues on any color from light tones to tan, beige, or black. Designed to fit most vehicles, its dimensions ensure it meets over 90% of automotive installation needs by covering both the bottom and back portions of your seat. Crafted from premium 600D Oxford fabric, it not only boasts a sleek, high-quality look, but is also remarkably long-lasting and easy to clean with just a damp cloth, no machine washing required. The smart design features adjustable safety straps that secure the cover firmly to the headrest and anti-slip dots for extra grip, preventing it from sliding off or shifting during your drive. Plus, handy bottom pockets provide convenient storage for your child's toys, books, or treats. Whether you're traveling with family, kids, or on solo adventures, this car seat protector offers reliable, worry-free protection for every journey. Introducing a compact yet mighty impact wrench that redefines efficiency and power in one sleek package. Delivering an impressive 550 feet-pounds of tightening torque and a robust 750 feet-pounds for loosening, it tackles even the most stubborn bolts with ease. Its lightweight composite housing is expertly designed to minimize noise, operating at a comfortable 85 dBA, ensuring a quieter work environment without sacrificing performance. At the heart of this tool lies a robust jumbo hammer mechanism, enhancing both reliability and power for demanding automotive tasks. The innovative design features a patented grip along with a trigger-mounted combined forward and reverse switch, allowing for seamless operation. As part of the AirCat line, these power tools are celebrated for merging high torque with ergonomic design and reduced noise levels, making every job not only effective, but also a more comfortable experience. Imagine turning your car into a masterpiece with the Cartints Edge Trimming Squeegee Set, a brilliant assortment of 14 uniquely crafted tools that adapt flawlessly to every contour. From sleek headlights and bold bumpers to intricate door handles and center consoles. With its soft yet resilient plastic construction and microfiber felt edges, this set glides over surfaces to ensure your vinyl film wraps smoothly, leaving no scratches or marks. The innovative retractable 9mm razor cutter, designed with a hidden blade that safely trims excess vinyl while retaining its sharpness through effortless snap-off replacements. Plus, the ingenious vinyl magnet tool securely holds large sheets, freeing your hands to perfect every detail. All while a pair of trusty work gloves keeps you protected, making every project not just a task, but a journey of creative excellence. Discover the ultimate solution for fuel injector care with our innovative cleaner tester that not only diagnoses but also cleans your injectors, quickly pinpointing issues like blockages, leaks, or burnt-out conditions. Unlike standard testers with only one pulse output pair, our device features two pulse output pairs, allowing you to test and compare two injectors simultaneously. Its vibrant LCD display and 8 flexible pulse modes, designed for nearly all 12-volt EFI and GDI injectors. It comes with universal adapters in large, small, and newly added medium sizes for brands like Audi, VW, and exclusive BMW N Series. With a 40-inch power cord and a 20-inch test lead made from premium silicone gel for superior temperature resistance, connection and usage are a breeze. Safety features such as reverse input and short-circuit protection ensure worry-free operation, and its adaptable design even supports relay or solenoid valve testing under expert guidance. Enjoy peace of mind with our 3-year warranty and experience the difference today. Experience the perfect blend of power and compact design with our 10-amp 12-volt 24-volt smart battery charger. a versatile, all-in-one tool for charging, maintaining, trickle charging, and desulfating your battery. Designed with winter and summer modes, it smartly adapts to temperature changes to prevent battery drain, while robust safety features like reverse polarity, overcharge, and short-circuit protection keep you worry-free. The backlit LCD displays voltage, current, power percentage, temperature, and mode settings, and a built-in thermal sensor fine-tunes charging under any condition. It even remembers your last mode after a power outage and offers an advanced repair mode to revive aging batteries. With a durable, heat-resistant copper cable and 8 essential safety protections, plus the option to switch to motorcycle mode for extended trickle charging, your battery stays robust and ready for every adventure. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Introducing our pack of 10 high-performance non-CAN bus LED bulbs designed to elevate your automotive interior lighting experience. These bulbs are engineered to fit a variety of sizes, making them perfect for map lights, dome lights, door lights, license plate lights, trunk lights, and other applications depending on your car model. Their non-polarity design allows you to install them in either orientation with no issues. Each bulb is equipped with 3 powerful 330 high-power SMD chips that deliver a crisp, pure white light output of 200 lumens, providing a direct and efficient replacement for your original halogen bulbs. With their easy plug-and-play installation, upgrading your vehicle's interior lighting has never been simpler. Where simplicity meets functionality, the Avid Power Car Air Pump offers a worry-free inflating experience thanks to its convenient auto shut-off feature. Just preset your desired pressure level, start inflating, and let the compressor automatically stop once your target PSI is reached. This powerful tire inflator delivers up to 30 Lmin airflow, capable of pumping a standard tire from 0 to 30 PSI in under 5 minutes. Plus, its built-in LED light illuminates your workspace in low light conditions. Dual power options include a 20-volt rechargeable Li-ion battery pack and a 12-volt DC car adapter, ensuring you're never stranded during a trip. Versatile and portable, it works with cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports balls, and even inflatable pool toys, though it's not suitable for large truck tires. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. A revolutionary head-up display that transforms your driving experience by projecting critical data speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, and mileage right onto your windshield. This smart device keeps your eyes on the road, enhancing safety and ensuring you stay in peak driving condition. Its customizable interface offers multiple modes and vibrant colors, adding a modern, tech-savvy touch to your ride. Utilizing nanotechnology for high-definition clarity, it minimizes reflections for sharper visuals, while both automatic and manual brightness adjustments let you tailor the display to any environment. Additional features like ambient lighting, engine RPM monitoring, fault code alerts, and a fatigue driving alarm provide comprehensive support on every trip. With dual operation modes, OBD2 for most vehicles post-2008, and a versatile GPS mode, this HUD is engineered for broad compatibility. It ensures smooth, reliable performance every time you hit the road. Experience unmatched power and precision with 21-volt brushless motor impact wrench. Delivering a formidable 744 pounds of torque, it's engineered for heavy-duty tasks. Impact gun is fitted with a premium brushless motor that outlasts traditional brushed motors by 1.66 times and operates without generating sparks or smoke, making it the go-to choice for professionals. The high-capacity 4.0-hour battery, paired with a fast charger, offers extended runtime twice that of a 2.8-hour battery, so you never face power anxiety on the job. In reverse mode, the brake stop device activates as soon as a nut or bolt loosens, reducing speed and torque to prevent sudden releases and protect your work. With an adjustable rotation control, 3 speed modes in positive operation, and a responsive switch trigger for precise control, every detail of your task is optimized. Additionally, the built-in LED light illuminates your workspace in dark environments, ensuring you stay productive anytime, anywhere. A completely upgraded design, replaced and renewed to suit customer requirements and preferences. The Kemomoto motorcycle cup holder has been designed with a new 90-degree adjustable crocodile clip that now has 2 screws instead of 1, plus a cross-mounting hole design, ensuring a much firmer and more stable grip. This means no more worries about the cup holder loosening or spinning during high-speed rides or when holding large water bottles. It installs effortlessly on handlebars or poles with diameters ranging from 0.6 inches to 1.5 inches, using a convenient hand screw design. Just check your handlebar size before purchase. With a maximum capacity of 24 aughts and a 3.94-inch bottom diameter, it even includes a drain to keep water at bay. The reinforced, adjustable top drawstring secures your drink during bumpy rides. Made from durable 600D Oxford fabric instead of plastic or stainless steel, it is both washable and built to last without rusting. Plus, 2 mesh pockets provide handy storage for your essentials. The bench seat cover distinguishes itself with a Velcro connection, unlike others that use zippers, making installation and length adjustment a breeze. Designed to fit most vehicles, it can be customized from 50 to 56 inches. Every detail has been thoughtfully considered. Ample space is preserved for airbags, and a dedicated seatbelt slot is reserved, ensuring that side airbags deploy correctly in an emergency while keeping the seatbelt fully functional. Seamlessly integrating into your car's original interior, the cover features classic faux leather accented by unique embroidery technology. Its smooth, colorful surface adds a splash of style, while the high-quality faux leather is soft, durable, and waterproof. Delicate perforations promote breathability, and the high-rebound sponge core delivers maximum comfort. The non-slip fabric on the underside keeps the cover securely in place, letting you get in and out worry-free.